Rameshwaram is famous for seafood, one of them being squid, locally called kundal because the tentacles look like hair. Before a squid is eaten, it is cleaned. The arms, tentacles, and mantle are edible. There is also a black-colored liquid inside called ink that is also edible. This ink is squirted out to make the surrounding water completely black, so the squid can escape predators. Fun fact, squid ink is made of melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its dark color. More melanin, the darker the skin, better protection against UV radiation. But we'll get back to ink later. The organs are typically removed from the mantle, and that leaves behind a hollow tube, which when you cut, which when you slice, coat with a batter and deep fry, you get the ring shape we are familiar with, calamari. So why is it called calamari? That word comes from the Latin calamus, meaning reed, typically of this plant, Juncus maritimus, that all of us have seen near any lake or river. When you cut this reed, dry it, and shape its tip to a point, you get what most ancient civilizations used as a pen. This pen was called calamus in Latin. Just dip into ink and write. So why is squid called calamari? Because of its ink. And that's not all. Both Arabic and Persian use the same root word for reed-based writing instruments, kalam, which is why the Hindi Urdu word for pen is kalam. And Rameshwaram's most famous citizen, Abdul Kalam.